Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope all of you are fine and in good health. I welcome you all to the AppSec online program. I'm your science teacher from AppSec 4th Road Middle Wing Boys. The chapter which will be started from this week is Unit 3, the periodic table. First I will share the hadith of the week. रसूल सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया, जो शख्स शब कदर ईमान के साथ महज सवाब आखिरत के लिए ज़िक्र व इबादत में गुजारे, उसके गुज़िश्ता गुनाह बख्श दिए जाएंगे। इससे मुराद है अल्लाह ताला ने अपनी हिकमत और रहमत से शब कदर को रमज़ान के आखिरी अशरा में पोशीदा रखा है ताकि मुसलमान इसकी जुस्तजू में रहें, उनकी तलब और हिम्मत बढ़े और वो इस माह की आखिरी रातें इसके लालच में क़याम इबादत और दुआ व मुनाजात में गुजारें, जैसे कि रसूल सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का मामूल था। Then coming to this week 8 topics: structure of atom, chemical symbol, atomic number, atomic mass, arrangement of electrons, atoms, molecules and chemical formulas. Now the recap of the previous week. In the previous week, the topics which you have covered were respiration in plants, anaerobic respiration in plants and gas exchange in plants. Now this week has been divided into 5 days. Now on day 1 you will do structure of atom, chemical symbol, atomic mass and atomic number, and on day 2 you have to do the written work related to these topics. Now objectives. Students, you will be able to identify the particles of an atom, you will be able to understand the chemical symbols, you will be able to differentiate between atomic number and atomic mass, and your success criteria will be that you have to read the relevant text and watch the video before attempting the written work. Now I will discuss the structure of atom. First of all, what is an atom? An atom is the smallest part of an element that can take part in chemical reaction. Atoms are very small. Scientists believe that atoms are made up of 3 subatomic particles called protons, electrons and neutrons. Protons carry positive charge, electrons carry negative charge, and neutrons carry no charge. This means they are neutral. Now this is the diagram that shows the structure of atom. The center of atom is occupied by nucleus, which consists of protons with positive charge and neutrons with no charge. Revolving around the nucleus are negatively charged particles called electrons, as the minus sign is indicating. They revolve around nucleus in paths called orbits or electron cloud. Now comes the chemical symbol. All elements are represented by a chemical shorthand called chemical symbol, which is recognized all over the world. Example includes C is the symbol of carbon and N is the symbol of nitrogen. Now there are certain rules for writing chemical symbols. First one, a chemical symbol can be a capital letter. Example, O is the symbol for element oxygen, C is the symbol for element carbon. Second, an element can be represented by a capital letter followed by the next letter. Example, calcium has the symbol Ca, which comes from the first 2 letters of its English name. Similarly, Ne is the symbol of neon. Third rule is the element can have the symbol from its Latin name. Example, iron has the symbol Fe, which comes from its Latin name ferrum. Na is the symbol of sodium, which comes from its Latin name natrium. Fourth one, other elements have symbols made up from their first letter and one other letter in its name. Example, Mg is the symbol of magnesium and Zn is the symbol of zinc. Now next is the atomic number. Atomic number is the number of protons in an atom. Every element has different atomic numbers depending on the number of protons present. Every element contains atoms which are neutral, means that positively charged protons are equal to the number of negatively charged electrons. So the atomic number also tells how many electrons an atom has. So this means that the number of protons or electrons in an atom is the atomic number. It is always denoted by the symbol Z. It is always written at the bottom left hand corner of an element. Example is carbon has 6 protons or 6 electrons, so atomic number is 6. Oxygen has atomic number 8 because it is having 8 electrons or 8 protons. Next is atomic mass. Atomic mass is the number of protons and neutrons in an atom. It is always denoted by symbol A. It is written at the top left hand corner of an element. Examples include carbon has atomic mass 12, So it's having 6 protons and 6 neutrons. Oxygen has atomic mass 16. Why? Because it is having 8 protons and 8 neutrons. Now this shows the letter C, which is the symbol of carbon element. Its atomic number is 6, which means it's having 6 protons in its nucleus and 6 electrons are revolving around the nucleus, and is written to the bottom left hand corner of an element. Its mass number is 12, having 6 protons and 6 neutrons, and is written to the top left corner of an element. This is all about day 1. Now day 2 you have to utilize for written work. Read textbook pages 34 and 36. For written work, textbook page 37. Question number 1a. Now name the 3 tiny particles which make up atoms. The 3 tiny particles which make up atoms are protons, electrons and neutrons. Now question number 1b is write the charge alongside each one. Now protons carry positive charge, electrons carry negative charge, and neutrons have no charge. Question number 3a is where are electrons found in an atom? Electrons are found revolving around the nucleus in certain parts called as electron cloud. Question number 3b, explain why an electron takes up most of the atom space. Because the electrons are always moving and they are moving with the greatest speed, and they form a blurry cloud around the nucleus of an atom. That's the reason they occupy most of the atom's space. Question number 4, suggest why scientists use chemical symbols. Because it is a shorthand that is recognized all over the world. Question number 5 is explain the terms A, atomic number, that is the number of protons or electrons in an atom, and mass number, that is the number of protons and neutrons present in an atom. Then you have to do textbook page number 49, question number 4, and that question is from your exercise, and that is related to atomic number and mass number. This is all from day 1 and day 2. Thank you.